Powerful website you need to know, part 13. So the first site I'm going to talk about in the video is Synthesia. So this site is going to help you convert your text into videos. So just like you saw earlier in the video, this is a video that they generated. This is a sample of a video. They have a lot of tools. They can give you AI avatars. They have voiceovers over 140 languages, and you don't even need any credit card to, start using it. It's very much simple and easy using this. So the second site is Glabs. So Glabs is an all-in-one tool. So let me highlight the products for you to see the products they have on their site. So you can summarize your YouTube videos, you can edit PDFs, you can clone chat, you can transcribe audios, you can read stuff with it. So you just need to install it on your Chrome if you are using a laptop, Safari if you're on a Mac, Edge if you're on Windows, Firefox, you can add it there too, and if you are using the two operating systems, which is Android and iOS, you can use it as well. The third site I'm going to talk about in this video is Pictory. So Pictory is an all-in-one tool. So they have an AI voice generator, text to video generator, script to video, and a lot. So you can hop on here and then start using them. So it's very much simple and easy. If you're a content creator, I think this site is for you. You can do a lot with this site. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and then I have a lot of videos on powerful websites out on my channel too as well. That's it. Peace.